Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. And earlier today, I did a video on how to find out how long every line on this drawing is. And the gentleman that I'm doing it for goes, I don't have that option. Well, you don't have, and see what happens. You don't have it clicked, two options go away. You click it, two options come back. But what he needs to do, this is 7 objects. So let's go to object and convert them to a curve. Still nothing happens. Let's go to object, ungroup. There's your curve. But to get the total, we need to combine them. And now you can do your curve, and I put it back to inches for just so I'll know when I was nudging thing. So 562. To kind of check to see if that might even be close, I'm gonna put my nudge factor on. Let's see how big this thing is. It's 23 inches. I'm gonna change my nudge factor to 25. And I'm going to fill in, whoop, we might have a little bit of a leak there. You got a little bit of a leak there. So let's just don't fill that in. Let's say I have half of it filled in, okay? We're gonna left click, right click, and go to object and combine these. And now look at our curve is 192. Combine them again. 192 against 564. So I'm a little less than half, so I'm thinking it's correct. So there's your number of inches, and like I said in the other video, if he actually keeps saying meters, but it's got to be millimeters. So if you change everything to millimeters, this is 14,286 versus less than 5. So I'm thinking this thing is working, and it is correct. And for the person that's doing this, if you drew those are pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.